Hey guys, and welcome back. And in this video I'm going to be teaching you that how you can resolve dispute on Experian mobile application. So here, as you can see, I'm on the application, and what are you going to be doing is you're going to be heading over to the dispute section, and here you have this option that is asking that how would you like to begin. So we're going to be simply entering in here different options. So we have a couple of options, like for example we have start a new dispute online, or we have sign in to check an existing dispute, or we have get instructions for disputing by mail. So we have these three options that we can go for, and finally we have another option that says view results of already added dispute. So you can select any of these and move on with that, and that is how, my friend, you are going to be able to simply resolve this kind of issue related to dispute on Experian mobile application. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you guys around in the next video.